Hi, what's up YouTube? Today I'm very exciting. It's really because of this is my very first gold bar that I recently collected. This is Royal Canadian Mint. They call it 1oz gold wafer, but I like to call it gold bar. Usually this gold bar they came with RCM certificate packaging. So what we have here, RCM certificate finest 99.9999 fine gold, weight 1 ounce, 31.11 gram. Got signature, who cares? And this is the minted company address. I think so. So what do you think about this? Oh, so nice. The reflective leaf RCM logo. Whew. So what do you think about this bar? Let's test it out, the weight. So I have here is my favorite 1 ounce American Eagle silver coin. So put on it, it show 1 ounce. Let me check again. Okay, 1 ounce, yes. So let's check this out. And okay, what we have here, 1.27 ounce. Oh, seems like the packaging itself is 0.27 ounce weight of. Test again. 1.27. Yes. So the entire thing is 1.27 ounce. Okay, so now, do we really unbox this? A lot of people say they cannot open this packaging. It's really because of it came with the RCM certificate. Once you open it, once you cut it, the worth of this gold will be less by 2%. Well, what do you think? To me, gold is gold. I prefer to feel the physical gold, like I always say. So now, do we want to cut it? Let's do it. Oh, so exciting, man. We are going to cut you into new pieces of cake. Just cut off the packaging. Oh, surprisingly, so hard to. Oh my god. Okay, let's try another corner. Peel it off. Haha. Is wow, this is hard. One more time, let's cut it again. Cut another side. We need to cut it entirely. Try again. Oh, so the thing sealed tight, and this is not easy really. Okay, let's try again. Okay, let's see. I think they did a good job here. So everything is quite sealed. Okay. How about we cut all the corner? Okay. I'm very excited. One more here. Let me cut more in a bit. Oh. Okay, almost there. Okay, cut carefully. I think I really must cut carefully, otherwise I will scratch the gold bar. let's see. Ooh! Ladies and gentlemen, it seems like it can be opened. Oh my god, let's clear this rubbish away first and review this beauty. Ladies and gentlemen, here you come. The RCM 1oz Go Wafer. Look at the logo. Oh my god. It's totally different when you hold it with the packaging, and now without the packaging, the feeling is so different. And you take a look the design. Oh my god, so 3D. Oh no, I will not feel regret to open this, really. I tell you, the feeling is so different. Look at the design, look at the 3D, look at the alignment. Oh my god, the finishing is so nice. So of course, think about this RCM good bar, they have serial number on each bar. You can take a look how beauty of this wafer or this gold bar without the packaging. Once you feel it, you will feel different. Let's touch the gold bar with my bare hand. Oh my god, you should try this. You should really feel this. Close up the logo, see? Oh my god, so awesome, so 3D. Loving it. 1oz 5 Go 9999. So what I like about this RCM bar is really because of the repeated design. At the middle they have this high reflective leaf. It stands out from others. Super nice. Okay, anyway, once I unboxed it, this is really what we call unboxing. Do you agree with it? Okay, the most important thing now we need to do is to test the weight. Let us weight this 1oz Go Wafer. Okay, correct, it's 1 ounce. Okay, let's check the gram. 1 ounce should be 31.1. Something wrong with my weighing machine. Okay. Show now is 31.0 gram. Should be 31.1. I think it's my machine. Okay, anyway, I bought this from Gold Hard Bullion. It's a very well known, and I trust them 100%. No, sorry, it's 200%. So guys, what do you think about this unboxing of Gold Bar? So hopefully next month I will unbox another Gold Wafer or Gold Bar. Stay tuned guys.